Strut. Strut. Strut.
Oh, that meant your metal? Apparently that meant your one.
Will you strut? Damn bird.
Hey.
Come here. Come here. Strut. Strut. Do your strut. Damn it, Strut. Like how you were. Oh my god. Bird. Please strut. You know. Okay, so you know you're being videotaped and now you're... What, move? Oh my god, it's itchy. Okay. Check out this thing's face. It's huge. And there's some people in the common room who have huge faces. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. It's strutting. There we go. He does the Gryffindor strut. And there it goes. Don't know where it's going, but it's going somewhere.